launch. You guys, how insane is a wrap on the Squadron Corsa? Man, I'm quiet right now because I'm legit seeing it for the first time with you guys, the audience.
Damn!
You like it?
Right. It fits in now. It's officially a DDE car.
I mean, Jesus. Oh yeah, another day in sunny California. What's up you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. Today is the day where I reveal my brand new wrap on the Lamborghini Squadron Corsa. I'm pumped. But before the video can get going, I'm gonna sponsor today's video with my hoodie. Stick with me. You guys, this is the Burning Rubber Edition hoodie. It's legit my favorite hoodie we've ever made. Look how sick it is. All the detail. So you got DDE above the heart, got some patches, DDE down the arm, and this is the coolest feature right here, I think. The barcode. Here's the good news, you guys. This hoodie right now is $59, shipped anywhere in the world. Everything. Doesn't matter if it's a $8 sticker or a hoodie or a hat, has free shipping anywhere in the world. No one's ever done that before in our bracket, so we want to be the first to give you guys as much value as possible. I know for me, when I'm buying something, it's a pretty good price and it has $20 of shipping, I usually go, that's not worth it. So for you guys, super transparent, super easy. You see the price, that's legit what you pay to get it to your front door, you guys. There's not a lot of these left. Act now, links in the description. Grab a Burning Rubber hoodie before they're gone. You're probably wondering, how do we give away free shipping? Because obviously nothing's free in life. The reality is that we don't make a whole lot of money off our merch. But Damon and I both agree, when we're in a public place, when we're at an event, when we're at the airport, and we see someone walk by with a DDE hat on or DDE hoodie, that satisfaction is worth us giving up a little bit of the profit, so enjoy. All right, as much as I love driving this Integra Type R, I really do miss my Lamborghini. I'm super pumped to see the new wrap. All right guys, guess who I picked up? A straggler walking on the highway alone, lost. Sammy.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Welcome back to the channel, you guys.
Hey, that's my thing. B-Tech! Ready? Well, it reminds me of my teenage years. We're gonna drive the tracks. Ready? 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 Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Psych. I legit, Sam, I don't know if I told you this, but like, this is my baby. And we're gonna give it away to one of you guys. One of you watching right now. We're gonna announce how you can win soon. Can't wait for a fan to get this. And here's the thing, we're not just gonna give you the keys and say there's your car. We're gonna bring it to you. We're gonna literally show up at your front door, Damon and I, driving the Type R, give you the keys, go for your first ride, and make it a whole experience. So it won't just be like, you got a car, you also get a full experience of DDE. Before you were the world's best drone pilot, you worked at a car dealership, you sold cars, you were a car salesman.
I was a car salesman for 10 years.
Tell us the most craziest car salesman story, let's hear it.
We sold a GTR, all right? A week later, the guy totaled it right down the street from the dealership.
No.
Yeah, he came back and said, you know what, I'm buying another one. So he just bought another one.
No.
Yeah, it was insane.
That last one sucked. It broke. How'd you break it? I smashed into a telephone pole. Oh, you know what? DD Essential is coffee. Now I was thinking this the other day. Someone's like, you know, you guys obviously rep a lot of products and you sell your own stuff. What would be the next step? And I'm thinking, we need a DDE coffee and donut shop here in LA. Imagine that, you guys. Imagine if we had, like, it looked like a car dealership, had our cars inside, there's a merch store, you could buy donuts and coffee and like hang out. Would you come? Would you spend money?
I would. Can I work there?
No.
More shop espresso.
Hey, Sammy.
Yes.
You want to drive a Type R?
Let's go. I drive manual.
Here's a question for you guys. Will Sammy stall the 2001 Integra Type R? Okay, okay. Check your mirrors, check your mirrors. Watch out for the Kia.
What Kia?
This is
Where?
like every dad ever giving his daughter a lesson on driving.
I got the, watch the Kia!
Whoa! You're doing good so far, you're doing so far. You just bottomed out a little bit there.
I didn't know that car was this low.
This is an Integra Type R, man! You're definitely not driving a Lamborghini. One of 50 Lamborghini Squadron Corsas.
Why not?
Because you bottomed out the jacked up Integra Type R.
You want to see VTEC?
I don't know if we can see it.
You're gonna see it. You're gonna see it happen.
VTEC! VTEC! Rev limiter! Okay, slow down, okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna drive from now on. Was this your first VTEC experience?
It is.
I remember my first time. It was a nice Sunday afternoon. Weather was just like today, actually. Hey man, good job, good driving. If that is the Integra Type R, it could be yours. Details to follow. The top of the engine was rebuilt by Sheepy Race. The interior is like legit perfect. The last owner pulled out the seats and put in like racing seats, so they literally sat in storage for like 20 years. Look at this thing. This is my friend Mike's sick M5. Mike was on Ace Spade Rally with us. This is your daily driver then?
Yeah, M5 with a Dynan Stage 2 package.
How much power does this bad boy make?
If you believe Dynan, should be right around 700 horsepower.
Dude, 700 horsepower in this like family sedan. I have the same year 535 diesel. So mine's like the ultimate in economy. This is the M5. This is the crazy twin turbo V8, big brakes. Car's better than mine, bro.
Hey, it's a fun car, man, but you know, gotta love the Lambo.
Let's go for a ride in this thing. I want to check it out. Okay, Mike, I only have one goal for this experience. I want to see Sammy puke in your back seat.
Oh, we can make that happen.
I get really car sick, so don't drive too crazy, all right?
Or plus or die, baby.
How you doing back there?
Yo, this is fast, man. Right here.
He legit gets car sick when he's in the back seat, so my goal is to make him sick, you guys. As a friend, not to be mean.
Yeah, I am.
It's all in good fun.
It's all good fun. Puke.
Oh god.
Oh, you got a race now.
Oh yeah.
You got someone yelling on their phone, I think. The Hellcat. What would win actually? Cause how much power does that thing have?
Those are probably like 750, 800.
This is 700.
Like
It's all driver. It's all driver.
Oh yeah, we'll take them. They're having a domestic dispute in their Dodge, of course. Go figure.
Oh yeah, let's hear this thing, dude. Oh, this thing is super sick.
What's Uber charge? 250 bucks if they puke in your car?
Is that what they charge? Hey guys, we're here at Mike's house in Laguna Beach. He's like, you know, one day Dee should get a house down here. And I'm like, we've discussed it. He goes, check out what I just leased. So we're in your garage now. Apparently a pretty good view up here.
It's all right.
Oh wow. Look at this, you guys. Laguna Beach. And you got a pool? Man, this is like the California dream right here. Right? Big, beautiful house, ocean view, pool, Sammy in the distance. Now, Sammy, what would the Stradman say right now?
I'm gonna jump right off to that pool.
Sammy. Views on views. James, I took that from you. It's mine now. Mine. There's definitely a bachelor pad, right? Like a baseball. Oh, look at this. Did you paint that yourself?
I did. It
Wow.
took 4 hours.
4 hours. Sammy, what do you think of this place?
Oh, I love it. I love it. You know?
You can't steal anything. Oh, these are sick.
I can't steal this?
Offer value, then take later.
Can I borrow it?
Absolutely.
Oh, this is a great place. All right, guys, we're back at PFS, and I'm thinking we should take the M5 and wrap it camo. What are your thoughts?
Love it.
Camo?
Let's do it.
Camo?
Let's go.
All right, Sammy, this is your first look at the Squadra. One of 50 Lamborghini Squadra courses. There's a lot of work to do to wrap the car.
Amazing.
It's in pieces. There's a front bumper. Got the hood. It's black, as well as the top of the car. You know, there's more things going on here. I'll give you guys a little hint of what's next as far as the color palette right here.
Love it.
You like this?
Spoon Squadra.
It's got some spoon. Yeah, it's blue and yellow right now.
Man, it looks beautiful. Baby blue.
Lots more to come. So this car wasn't like a printed wrap because of how complex it was and the colors we wanted to use. They had to actually cut vinyl. Hey Danny, how you doing?
Good.
You must have the best shoes in the world, I have to admit. Like, I like shoes, but you always one up me.
Trying to keep up with you.
Sick hat.
Yep.
Those sold out so fast.
I know. Everybody's going, hey, how did you get a hat? How did you get a hat?
Right now, I just found out that people like this shirt here, kids are selling them for $100 to each other.
Oh, dang.
I like that. You guys buy our stuff and resell it, make some money. Commerce, I'm good with that. There's merch coming that's gonna match the Squadra. Look at this. Coming together now, boys. Kevin, thoughts? Is Kevin approved yet? What's this stuff? To cut the vinyl?
Yeah.
That's cool. So you lay it down, put the vinyl on top, and you pull it, and it cuts it like fishing line?
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah, look at the size of that hood. Look at this thing. No lie, this car is intimidating. Everything about it is super aggressive and crazy looking. Like, look at the freaking wing back there. Look at the arrow up front. This is all factory from Dodge. Dodge. Wing. Super sick. Okay, no lie, it's kind of like getting into a coffin. Right? Okay. That's stock exhaust? Yeah, stock. Sounds like America. Is to launch, quickly apply full throttle, and quickly release clutch. Launch. Oh, that's cool. That was launch control, you guys, in a manual Viper. Oh my god!
Better, huh?
It's so fast. It's so aggressive.
Yeah, it's angry.
It's angry, yeah.
Yeah, manhandle.
Yeah, it's like
everything
being
is
manhandled. It's like
hard.
being Damon's friend.
Alright, let's do launch again.
I mean, Jesus. Oh. Wow. I'm at a loss for words right now. That launch is insane. Up, 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 up. It's like... Okay, guys, Kevin insisted that I take a chance and drive the HCR. This might be the most insane car of 2017. Like, name one car that's more raw and absolutely just like... insane. Launch in the parking lot, ready?
Yeah.
Don't get mad, ready?
Full send straight into the wall.
Don't get mad. Promise don't get mad?
Well, I won't get mad. Will Ryan get mad?
Yeah.
Maybe you do it right here, but you can do it over there.
Alright, see you guys in a bit. Wish me well. I like it. It's so raw. Like, I don't know how fast I'm going, but the noise is, it sounds like you're doing 200 miles an hour when you're stopped at a freaking red light. Maybe this is your daily driver.
Yeah.
The one thing that's really my brain right now is starting from a standstill and not giving it throttle and timing it when to give it throttle so you can move faster. Otherwise, you're kind of just coming off, slowly get going. So it just takes some time to get used to that one. I've driven manuals my whole life where you have to like, you're in charge of the throttle. So having any type of assist, for me, almost makes it harder when you're not used to it. Oh dude, this thing is so crazy. This sounds so good. The brakes of this car, the brakes are so good. And you'd think for a big, heavy American car based on history, that the brakes would be The brakes are phenomenal. It's crazy. That's crazy. Dodge. Make this car again. Bring it back. Kevin, thank you so much for that. That was crazy. I literally put the camera down just to experience that car with no distraction, and I really enjoyed it. I did not think I would like that car that much. People were saying I should get a Viper to replace the R8, and now I'm actually considering it.
It's a fun car.
Like, it's crazy, like it's scary, which is fun. You up and die in that car. Get in this GT3 RS, and it's gonna save you. That car will let you die. Hey guys, plug your ears, okay? Ryan's starting a Tesla. Think I just stole his joke.
It was his.
Rev it!
That must be in silent mode.
Okay, it's faster than the Viper. So how do you decide when to print the whole wrap, or in this case, do the cut vinyl?
Based on the colors you want. So you had specific colors in mind. You're like, I want this color like this with this lamination, and print you couldn't get that close.
So you couldn't get this crazy neon.
No, you can get something similar, but nothing as bright as like what you wanted.
Hold on. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
That's good.
Where can we buy these? Look how skinny they are. What would happen? Nothing bad. Like nothing bad could possibly happen. What do you have we could put these on that you don't care about? What car do you have that if something bad happened, you would be like, whatever?
Four-wheel drive Evolution.
The Aventador?
That'll work.
Logan, what's happening right now? What's the plan?
I believe they're gonna put the bumper on.
Really?
So we're gonna see some kind of.
We're not gonna do a front bumper delete?
I mean, if you want.
The bumper's going back on. Pretty sick, pretty sick.
It's coming together.
I'm really liking this. You guys are killing it. So what is it you do here again at PFS? I think Logan's just commentary. It's getting there. Home stretch.
We're almost there now.
Home stretch, you guys.
Slowly.
Missing a few things there, but we're on the home stretch.
You don't need that stuff. Once you close the hood, nothing's gonna
We
happen.
have wheels. We have door panels, and the bumper's all tucked up on there. Still a lot of work left. Not a lot of work. There's a bit of work left, Mike. We need the graphics on the hood, the roof, and then obviously side skirts, and then figure this out. Any thoughts?
You can see the vision, man. It's coming together.
Coming together. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Well, that's pretty much it for tonight.
I got something special for you.
Oh my God, Eric, you made me a steering wheel. So the reality is this has the Lamborghini Squadra Corsa fancy steering wheel, but the Alcantara is completely worn from all the hand sweat of rally driving.
What you been doing in the rally? Nervous driving it, so you sweat
A little bit, yeah.
You want to do the unveiling?
Yes. Oh my God. We have not only a shift light, but it also has the wet carbon, and it's matching the Squadra. Like, it looks OEM.
Yeah.
And that's the thing, you guys. Eric's steering wheels legit look and feel OEM. In fact, no offense to Lamborghini, it's better quality. Wow. Oh, it's so light.
It's light. Is it too good for Dave right now?
That's right. Everything's too good for me at this point. You guys, make sure you go give @Carbontastic a follow. You need a steering wheel. You make them for anything and everything, essentially.
Correct.
All right, guys, back at PFS. It's the next morning, and the Squadra is done. I can hear it. It's coming. I'm so pumped. Sammy, you ready for this?
I'm ready. I've been waiting all day yesterday.
I've waited my whole life. Oh!
My God, dude. Are you kidding me?
How sick is this? Don't get killed. You guys, how insane is the wrap on the Squadra Corsa?
Damn.
You like it?
Right. It
Can you
fits in
see
now.
it?
It's officially a DDE car.
Looks good. It matches the sound now.
I like this one.
Will they see us coming down the street now or what?
I like it. I like it way better than the yellow. I didn't think I would, but I do.
I'm quiet right now because I'm legit seeing it for the first time with you guys, the audience. I'm taking it all in, looking at everything, all the nuances and the colors and the details. Like, what you guys did to my one of 50 Squadra Corsa.
Well, I didn't do anything, but this whole team right here.
These guys.
So Brian did the design.
This guy right here, give him a follow.
Designer?
Installers.
All the installers. So all these, it's the full wrap team. So these guys are the ones who killed it. We didn't do anything.
You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, you guys. These guys literally here till 10 o'clock last night working. Back here this morning to get it done. Hey, we just got here.
Oh man,
So what do you think of the Squadra?
Oh man, what's for me?
Well, I got a car for you over there.
No, but you said this is for me too, right?
Same, it's the same thing, dude.
Same thing?
Do you want a Supra or a Lamborghini? This has more character. That has more character, I mean. That one has more
I
character.
mean, that has more character, but I'll take them both.
This is gonna be me from now on, just parked at like the beach. It's my car. I don't want to talk about it though. I'm not trying to blend in right now. I don't like attention, please.
You don't like attention?
My car. Don't take pictures. That's what it's all about, you guys.
This is why we love. Do you guys positive vibes only? That's,
Positive vibes
That's
only.
the only thing we represent at DD.
That's it.
Positive vibes, dude. I love you, man.
I love you too.
Love you more.
And guess what?
So,
Your Prius is now insured.
so you get to drive
You're
it.
driving the Prius today to Temecula with me. But that'll be the next video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Daily Driven Exotics. Again, huge thank you to everybody here at Protective Film Solutions. If you need your car protected, coated, whatever you want to do, come see this guy.
Take care of it.
And he'll design you a wrap.
He will.
Speaking of wrap, that's a wrap for this video.
Oh, I see what you did there. I see what you did there.
I haven't seen the invoice yet. I haven't paid the bill. Do you have an invoice for me?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
It's a lot.
Okay.
Invoice.
Oh, awesome. Alright, you guys, if you need some epic DDE merch, shop DD.com. And I think, you know, it's time to rebrand the license plate on this car. I gotta make some money and pay these guys. So I have a new little plate.
Oh!
Right?
Oh!
Yeah, shop
How does that
DDE.
look?
Alright guys, thank you for watching this episode of Daily Driven Exotics. Again, huge thank you to Protective Film Solutions. Link in description. Come see these guys. They'll take amazing care of you like they have for us for many, many years. Smash that subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Peace.